So today is day 19. We spent the last day fixing up this shed, finishing up the stuff on this shed. We also cut a bunch of additional branches that were hitting on top of the shed. You never want branches hitting a house. It'll cause a lot of damage, especially during a storm when it's being blown around. But anyway, so we did that. The shed is now ready, inside, outside. This door we're fixing. So that's been done, and the frame was a little loose, so we tightened that up. And we're just waiting for it to set. We're going to install the exterior trim today up on top, and we're going to start working on the outside and getting that stuff done. The other thing that we did the other day is we did some more work on the ceiling, but we really started. We tested this door. See that door that goes there? Remember I told you I had the shop make it? Well, it's a little off, so I got to bring it back to the shop, but that's their problem. They're going to have to recut it and redo it. I've got to haul it there, but it's their problem to make it right. We did remove this microwave and that backsplash. We have a new metal backsplash coming and a new microwave, but the new microwave is only like a 10-inch, so we will have the additional space. The other thing that we're looking at is originally we were going to keep these cabinet doors. A lot of them stick, and they're obviously aftermarket doors that were installed. Some of them stick and don't fit very well, and they really don't look very good. So we may look at just ordering new doors and drawer fronts for this kitchen. The boxes are decent. They're wood, so you may want to keep the boxes. But get rid of the doors and just replace the doors. It'll make the kitchen look new for small dollars. So that's one of the things that we're contemplating. The other thing that we did the other day is fill all the holes in the baseboard, and there were hundreds of them. So today the plan is to work on the outside because the painter's supposed to start on the outside and finish on the inside in here. We have to caulk the top of these baseboards. There's a few spots like here where when we were doing the baseboards we saw some damage that we didn't see before that we fixed. So it needs to be sanded and it needs to be prepped. So those types of things is what we're going to be doing today. And we're looking at getting this ready to be cleaned and painted in the next 2 days. So next week this house should be turned over to the painters, and that's when you will see a major difference in the look of this house. Because I look around and it's like, damn, this thing seems to have been the same way for weeks. And somewhat it has, but it's a process. It's an ugly process, and you can't get frustrated by it because otherwise you're just wasting your time. But, just being frustrated doesn't change anything. Anyways, that's what the plan is, but I think in the next few days, early next week, when you start seeing the paint fly, you will see a major difference.